So, I know I am still so stupidly far behind, even though it's February now. I'm opening an unboxing for you guys. My December 2019 Ipsy Glam bag. I also have the Glam Bag Plus box to open as well. I'm like, you know, before I fall further behind, I really need to get my shit together. Open these from December, the Allure box from December, the Target boxes from December, and get on with it! And start reviewing the stuff in them. And as a small update, that one lipstick last month that, well, I should say from November, that was all jacked up, they did replace it for me. They were very good about that, even though I was technically outside of the window of time by like this much. They made an exception, so. Anyways, let us get into here. One item is too big to fit in the bag itself, so it was separate in there. I have got a couple of face masks, but I'm gonna find the thing first, the card. But look how pretty. I mean, granted, it kind of looks like tinfoil, but, you know. I like the little ribbon, little green here, very Christmassy. So it's kind of like halfway between Christmas and New Year's. I like that. So let's find the card. Here it is. Ah, come on. Bastard, come on out. Okay, come on. All right. So, this was for, again, December 2019. It was Shine On, hashtag Discover Yourself. Sparkle, shimmer, and shine. This month, let's clink glasses to a year full of diving in, bearing all, and finding your light. It's time to celebrate how far you've come. There's the picture, if you'd like to see it. Yes. So on the back, let's see here. Ring in the new. What a year. We dreamed big and brought you more choice, more personalization, more memberships. Hello, Glam Bag Plus and Ultimate. I'm still not a member Ultimate. If I get to where I get the payout from YouTube every single month, I may do Ultimate. But until I can't afford to throw another 50 at subscription boxes every month. And more of what you want with add-ons. Now, we're looking ahead to a new year with a resolution for bigger, brighter experiences. Here's a January sneak peek. Top-tier brands and products that you'll obsess over, new opportunities to connect with like-minded beauty enthusiasts, enhanced personalization and ways to make your bag more you, the best is yet to come, lock it all in, and blah, 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 blah. Okay. 'Tis the season to treat yourself, and your 5 Glam Bag products are here just for you. Well, cheers to that. I think I have extra because I paid for extra ones, but let's do these first since they were separate. So these are the Glam Up Firming Pomegranate and Refreshing Peppermint Sheet Mask Set. Sheet mask, cocoa, Netflix, sounds like you're kind of silent night. Relax and refresh with a set of 2 masks, a pomegranate, and peppermint. The first boosts your glow and protects your skin with potent antioxidants. I guess that's the pomegranate. And the second purifies pores and refreshes your face with a cooling minty effect. That sounds fun. Tip, splash some warm water on first to help open the pores so the ingredients sink in. You can also try applying sheet masks to your décolletage, elbows, and other areas that need a little love. It'll work. I don't know what a décolletage is, not gonna lie. But, still, good to know. I will enjoy using those. I still have not ever used a sheet mask. I have a small collection now. I really need to start using them. I've still got that one that one of my subscribers sent me. Before it goes bad, I need to use this, because this is a oh wait, it's still good till 2022. Okay, I got time, but, seriously, I have, like, that. I have these. I have this guy over here. I have 2 of that, actually. I have some in my bathroom. There's a bunch. I really need to start using them. Anyway, so, there's these. I can't really see, the info. Oh, it says extra serum on the bottom. Cool. Cool. Nice. I knew it felt like they're extra juicy ones for some reason. I was like, I wonder. I know that some people like to, like, use a cotton ball or a facial round to, like, put on the extra stuff after the fact, so it is nice when they have extra. Not that I can speak from first-hand experience, because I've still not done one, but I need to. But anyway, we all know this face can use as much help as it can get. So, next thing in the bag. Is it something that's actually on here? Yes, it is. It is. Okay, hold on. Let me see what this message is. I will be right back. Sorry about that. Okay, so now I have my laptop on my lap. If I need to stop again, I have it right here. So hopefully I won't have to stop the video. If I do, I'll let you know. But I can type much faster on the keyboard than I can on here. So, anyways. So the next thing I've gotten here is from Cake Beauty, and it is the Milkmaid Totally to Die For Indulgent Body Milk Cream, which has oat milk, candied cream, and is seriously beautifying, and is in the 1 fluid ounce size. I would imagine there's probably a bigger size of this out there. What it says on the back, infused with candied oat milk, candied oat milk concentrate and marshmallow root extract, which I love is a hair product ingredient, so I imagine it'd be great on skin too. Our beloved fruit... Why can I not read today, guys? Our beloved formula is equally rich as it is fluffy. We pour in oat milk concentrate, marshmallow root extract, and shea butter. We leave out parabens and phthalates. So that's fun. And it's just lotion, so it doesn't have any, like, to use directions. It's lotion. You know what to do with lotion. So on here, it says, your skin deserves some extra love in the wintertime, and this cruelty-free, all-natural body cream from Cake Beauty is infused with 3 all-star moisturizers, vitamin E, shea butter, and sweet almond oil to give you the softest skin ever. But that's not all. It has a sweet dessert-like scent that's totally addictive. Tip, use this body cream on damp skin as soon as you get out of the shower. It'll help lock in moisture for extra hydrating and skin smoothing benefits. That is not just towards this one, that is for body cream in general. Throwing that out there. I guess there wasn't anything particularly special for them to say about this specifically. I would open it and smell it, but it has the foil on it, so until I'm ready to, like, use it, I'm gonna keep that sealed. But you guys will see the review when it does go up. So, next on the agenda, what have we got? So this is one of the bonus things that I got. I have no additional info here because of it, and this is by not Ipsy, but Tipsy, and this is Lip Crush Lip Oil. And I did open it to give it a sniff, but it has, like, no info on it. I have never heard of this brand before that, but it was like $2, $3 to add it on, so I was like, sure, what the hell. It kind of reminds me of that, what was it? The Prickly Pear lip gloss, the one that leaked all over the inside of my caboodle and pissed me off. It smells a lot like that, so I think it's supposed to be a pear scent. Could be wrong, but I figured, what the hell, lip oils are fun. I like lip oils, so I got that. Let me just set that down here. Next item. Okay, this one's in there. So this is from Tarte, and it's from their High Performance Naturals line, and it is Park Avenue Princess. Oh, the color is Park Avenue Princess, and is Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. Truth be told, I still don't know what the hell you do with bronzer, so I'm just gonna start playing with this shit one of these days. If I come on here all orangey or tan looking, you'll know I played with bronzer, but I really don't know what I'm doing with it, if I'm being totally honest, so... yeah, it gives no info on there. So on here, get a midsummer glow in the middle of winter with this golden bronzing powder from Always On Trend brand Tarte. Made with clarifying, brightening, and soothing Amazonian clay, it goes on silky smooth and blends easily without streaks. The long wear formula lasts all day and night, no need for touch-ups. Tip, dust this golden bronzer on or color on your lids, it makes for a super flattering neutral shadow color. That I could do with it. That I could do with it. Okay, that is an alternate if it just looks goofy on trying to do a tan, I guess, with it. So here's what the little compact looks like. It's pretty cute. I like it. It reminds me of the blush that I got from them, actually. That is, like, way too dark, but I think I have to give to Kimmy because of it. And it's got a little piece of plastic over it, so I apologize for the glare, but it's kind of got this shimmery glow to it. But actually, I'll go ahead and swatch it a little tiny bit. If I can get the plastic off. Come on, bastard. It fell off earlier because I want to make sure I don't have a repeat of last month's stuff where something came messed up and then I can't get a replacement. So I did open it just to inspect everything, but that little plastic piece fell out the first time. Now it doesn't want to come off. Because it's a bastard. Come on, really? There we go. Alright, off it goes. So I'm gonna just swatch along here a little bit. Oh boy. Well, maybe it'll blend in or something, because that's pretty dark for me. Like, next to my face, that's very dark. I can't imagine. Let's see if I rub it out. bit more of a, I don't know about this stuff, guys. I really don't know about bronzer. I feel like I am just epic fail when it comes to this. Yes, I watch tutorials and I still feel like I don't know what the crap to do with it. But I can always use it as eyeshadow if need be, apparently. So, there's that. And then we've got what's over here. I had a thing that I tore the box on. So this is nail polish from Nail Medic with lemongrass and biotin infused in it. Let's see. Our nail polishes are 10 free, cruelty free, paraben free, sulfate free, phthalate free, GMO free, and triclosan free. That's not 10, but whatever. So, wait a minute. Hashtag Pretty Woman NYC. So wait, is Nail Medic part of Pretty Woman NYC? Oh my god, if it is, then I automatically love this. I'm gonna have to look that up. Because you guys know, I like stan for Pretty Woman NYC. Look how pretty this is! Oh my gosh, that is a gorgeous color. Holy crap. And it's in the color Mauve or Nice. It doesn't say it on here anywhere. So I need to keep it with that box, I think. Is it even on the box? It's on the lid, okay. Okay. But wow, now I'm very curious if anyone has more info on if Pretty Woman NYC changed their branding or if this is just like an individual line in amongst their stuff. Let me know, because now I'm like, wait a minute, what happened here? This is definitely the same bottle type and all, so I'm like, wait, is this the same thing or is this something different? So Nail Medic nail polish in Mauve or Nice. Aside from its festive polish name, this 10 free nail polish from Nail Medic checks all the boxes for a perfect holiday nail color. The rich and super trendy berry mauve shade is chip resistant, long wearing, and fast drying. Plus, it's infused with lemongrass and biotin to help strengthen weak, brittle nails. Tip: wear 2 coats of this trendy color for a solid mani, use it as a base for a modern French mani, or apply it as an accent color on just 1 or more of your nails. Yeah, I kind of hate the accent nail trend. I wish it would die, but it won't. But, I will definitely enjoy wearing that. That might be a good Valentine's Day color. Not that I'm dating, but I mean, you know, it is the anniversary of this channel that day, so I like to still observe it, but there's that. Let me see what's going on over here. It is so windy outside. I kind of have PTSD from the PG&E shutoffs last year. I'm like, please tell me we're not doing that again. I'm like, please no. I'm so far not seeing any PSPS warnings, so I think we're good. But boy, it's making me nervous, guys. I don't like it. So anyway, next we have. This is something I bought additionally, mostly for the name, and it's by Little Moon Essentials, Frosty Lip Balm in Peppermint Shtick. Yes, with an H. Yes, like how Liza Minnelli would pronounce it. I was like, I have to. I freaking have to. Especially since she did a cover of Andy Williams' The Holiday Season, and she absolutely sings it, Peppermint Shtick, and I was like, oh my god. I saw this, I was like, it's Liza lip balm as far as I'm concerned, guys. Oh my god. But I mean, I love minty lip balms anyway. They are my favorite, so I'm like, sure, why not? I've never heard of this brand before, but it's even a cute brand name, Little Moon. I'm like, what's not to love? This has me written all over it. Get in my cart. So I did. What else have I got? Hey. This is the other thing I additionally bought. This is by Beauty for Real. And it's Starlust Lip Gloss. It's really pretty. I love the shimmery golden color in there. Again, no additional info because it wasn't part of the base package itself. So when it's something you buy additionally from Ipsy, they don't have it on the carded thing. So when I get around to trying to review this, I'll have to try to find more info online about it. But that won't be today. And then the last thing is on there. So this is by Belle in Argent, and it's Outre Creme lip color, and also has my name written all over it. It's Click Your Heels. I'm like, oh my god, it's Wizard of Oz lipstick. It's so perfect. It's so perfect I could cry. Oh my god. I mean, I love red lipsticks anyway, but Judy Garland lipstick, guys. How much more perfect for me could it get? Like, really. Unfortunately, because it's a reflective lipstick here, it has my fingerprints all the hell over it from when I checked on it to make sure it was okay. I'm trying to wipe it clean, but yeah, there is no getting all of the fingerprints off of this, sadly, but it's so pretty, though. Like, just, can we take a moment and appreciate how gorgeous this is? Like, really, though, I cannot wait to review and start using this one, because, oh my god, it's beautiful. And that name, like I said, it just, Ipsy, you done good. Almost as good as this month for February. I saw my sneak peek. They're sending me a blush. All you need is love. I was like, and now we got Beatles. You guys, they know me so well. I would imagine after like 3 years of being a member, they should know me well, but oh my goodness. Okay, so that is it for this month. Well, not even this month, December's Ipsy Glam bag. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. What is your favorite thing that you want to see me review the most out of this bag? What was your favorite thing that you got in Ipsy in December, or even just this month, since I know a couple months ago it's hard to remember. Let me know down below, as well as anything about anything. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. And as always, in case you need to hear it and you haven't heard it yet today, I'm proud of you. I love you. See you next time. Bye-bye.